Magpa-prank tayo mga idol. Surprise sa'yo. Yeah. Para medyo mabigat. Oh, you're washing the plate?
Yes. I want to see the surprise.
Oh.
Pagalawan?
You too, case GR? You know how to wash the plate?
No. No?
Only you?
I don't know. Yes, only me.
You know how to wash the plate?
No.
No? Oh. Because you wash the plate, I get the surprise to you, ha? Okay? Here's the surprise.
Yeah, here's the surprise. That's what I was talking about.
Oh, you open first. You turn off the water. Maano?
What's that?
Oh.
Ipon. Old phone.
Ha?
Yes, ipon na bag umat.
Old phone? Oh, you continue washing the plate. Yay! Continue use that, ha? Because our ano is very broken. Okay, continue. Yeah.
Cellphone.
You happy or not?
Okay.
I'm happy. Huh?
Are you happy?
You're happy?
Okay.
Finish the washing. The real surprise is in there.
Wow.
Here your surprise, kuya.
Oh, I thought that was actually
Huh?
Frank.
Think you're prank?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. You
Gafang.
ha?
Gafang kuya.
Kuya,
Kuya, thank you.
you open your phone.
Wait. Yeah. I thought it was actually like a prank.
No,
cellphone tinood. Okay, so this is
It's your mama give you a new phone. Yeah.
If I want to see this.
Yes.
Mom, thank you.
Thank you, mama.
Very much. Wait, so that means when the phone
You
what
get.
the hell?
How about your phone? You're happy? Huh? You look.
Then where's the other phone fixed?
How's that?
That's Amazon. They want the other phone fixed.
Huh?
Because then we can't have
How's your new phone? Better?
It's good.
Camera. The camera. You selfie. Selfie. Oh, handsome.
What's
Oh,
this name
back.
phone?
Realme. It's new. It's new Jin.
It's not Realme, Redmi.
Look, oh.
Redmi.
Redmi. Yeah, yeah.
Red.
Okay?